Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I received a new box from Your Paper Insider. This is the current subscription you'll receive. This is box number 9. Their boxes are filled with beautiful paper and cardstock. I showed box 1 in a previous video, so I was really excited when they sent me their current subscription box. You can subscribe to just the one box, or you can save by signing up annually. The annual subscription, you'll receive one box every 3 months. And if there are leftover boxes, you can purchase them individually. And there are several available on their website. On the back side of the stack of papers, I found this adorable sheet. There are 4 cute images that you can color, and also 3 sentiments. You are my everything, happy birthday, and Merry Christmas. And these are designs from Paper Smooches. I always enjoyed Paper Smooches stamps. They closed several years ago, so it's so fun to see that they're still designing again and sharing their wonderful images and sentiments. Inside the package, there's a cheat sheet. So it has a list of all of the colors and names of the paper, including the sizes and also the paper weights. And just looking at the cheat sheet, you can see all the gorgeous colors. So first up is the only paper that's not 8.5 by 11 inches. This one is 8.5 by 5.5 inches. And it's avocado velveteen felt paper. And it has a super soft velveteen finish. Next up is a shimmer vellum. The color is powder blue. I'll hold it up to some white cardstock so you can see that lovely color. The beautiful shimmer finish is a gorgeous touch. And if you don't want the shimmer, you can always flip it over and use that matte finish on the opposite side. Next is a sheet of glitter cardstock. This is bright green. And what's really nice about their glitter cardstock, the glitter does not shed. After going through those first few sheets, I decided I wanted to lay out all of the papers on my workspace. So I'll grab those again, lay them out. That way you can see all the beautiful colors as I continue through the box. It's fun how this box grouped together similar colors. So we're starting with the greens. Next is a sheet of green cardstock. Pretty sure I'm not going to pronounce this right. Cerio Foglia. Next is Tojimbo black crumple paper. This is a thinner paper at only 600 GSMs, but it's a really fun design. Next up is some silver cardstock called Star Dream. Then we have ultra white smooth cardstock, and this is 100 pound. So it's a nice heavyweight cardstock. And this is the same cardstock that the Paper Smooches images and sentiments are printed on. This next sheet is so pretty. It's called Silver Holographic Grooves. Now we're moving on to some reds. This is a really fun checker print design in red. It's Pearlized Ishimatsu Red. Then we have red glossy Cadillac cover with that gorgeous shine. And here's some paper that looks handmade. It's called Silver Fleck Tissue Paper. It's very thin at only 17 GSMs, but it has those lovely silver flecks throughout the paper. Next we have a solid red. This is vermilion red cardstock, 100 pound cover weight. Then we have some red metallic foil cardstock, and this is a 60 pound cover weight. Has a craft color on the back side. There's another sheet of glitter. This one's orange. Then we have some solid orange cardstock. This one's mandarin, and it's another 100 pound cover weight. Next up is Curious Metals Lime. This is a thinner paper at 80 pound tex weight. Next up is Golden Olive cardstock, 100 pound cover weight. Another sheet of the glitter cardstock, this time in bronze. It's nice to see some glitter cardstock in brown shades. You don't always see that. Next is some lovely gold metallic foil cover, super shiny. Then one more sheet of the glitter cardstock, this time in copper. This next sheet has a lovely texture finish, sort of embossed. The color is Gilded Mist, and it has a beautiful sort of pearlescent sheen. The next color is a solid cardstock. This is Carnival Deep Blue, and it's an 80-pound cover weight. Then we have this lovely pearlescent finish. Not sure about the name on the sheet. It's called So Silk Glamour Green, although it looks very blue to me. Then we have another sheet of solid cardstock. It's called Favini Burano Light Blue, and it's a 200 GSM weight. The next sheet is super shiny, it's gorgeous. It's called Silver Holographic Blast. It has all these fun, sparkly, firework looking design in the background. The final sheet that's included is transparent number 50 Limba, and it's a 74-pound cover weight. Then I pulled out that back sheet with the adorable paper smooches, images, and sentiments, so you can see that again. This is a fun little bonus that's included in the subscription box. Now here's another look of all of the beautiful paper and cardstock pieces that are included in Your Paper Insiders box number 9. This is the current subscription box you'll receive if you order now. I'm posting this video at the very end of their Black Friday sale. Currently, you can save 20% off everything except subscriptions and gift subscriptions. So you can purchase some of their previous boxes. They have packs of paper, tools, lots of other fun goodies. Use the code INSIDER20 to save 20%. And the sale goes through December 2nd, 2024. If you're interested in subscribing to Your Paper Insider, or you want to take a look at some of their previous boxes, I do have links in the description box below. And hopefully next week I'll share a video using some of the beautiful papers in this box. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.